Leaving the hum of the souks behind, we step into a different Marrakech, a world of quiet grandeur and timeless symmetry. Welcome to the Bahia Palace, the Palace of the Beautiful. Built in the 19th century, it was intended to be the greatest palace of its time. Every inch above us is a masterpiece of zouak, hand-painted wood where every color represents a different element of Moroccan life. In the grand courtyard, the scale is breathtaking. Over 1,500 square meters of Italian Carrara marble, cooling the air under the North African sun. If you like this content, please help us by hitting the subscribe button and notification bell so you can be notified when we upload additional content. Light here is treated like a builder's material. It filters through colored glass, painting the floors with the hues of a Moroccan sunset. The harem courtyards offer a hidden peace. The scent of orange blossoms replaces the dust of the city, a sanctuary designed for contemplation. Look closely at the walls. These patterns aren't just decorative. They are a mathematical language of infinity, where no piece is ever duplicated. A short walk away lies the Youssef Madrasa, once the largest Islamic college in North Africa and a pinnacle of Maronite architecture. Stepping inside is like stepping back to the 14th century. The silence here is heavy, with the weight of centuries of scholarship. The walls are covered in carved plaster, so fine it looks like frozen lace. It's a testament to the patience of the anonymous craftsman who built this. Flowing through the geometry is the Kufic script, sacred poetry, and prayers literally woven into the fabric of the building. Over 800 students once lived here, in tiny cells overlooking the courtyard, dedicating their lives to the pursuit of knowledge. Life here was humble, a sharp contrast to the magnificent beauty of the shared spaces they studied in. The prayer hall at the end of the courtyard is the heart of the madrasa, where light falls from a high dome onto ancient marble. Moroccan architecture is a game of reflections. The water in the pool isn't just for ritual, it doubles the beauty of the carvings above. It reminds us that even the most solid stone structures are part of a world that is always in flux. These doors have stood for 600 years, guarding the secrets of the scholars who once walked these halls. As we emerge back into the 21st century, the intricate geometry of the madrasa stays with us, a blueprint of peace. The Red City isn't just a color, it's a living museum where every arch and every tile is a page in a story that is still being written. Our architectural journey ends here, but there is one more side of Marrakech we must see. The serene, hidden gardens await in part 3. If you like this content, please help us by hitting the subscribe button and notification bell so you can be notified when we upload additional content.